My name is Tetel. In English, is Batman. On my right here is my very good friend from the TAP. His name is Palolo. In English, is Catwoman.
I'm good, I'm good, brother. Thank you very much for fight order. I just want to introduce myself. These beautiful woman here. What's her name? Rachel. And what's her name? David. David and Rachel. David and Rachel. I don't like this arrangement, how everybody here is arranged, David and Rachel, because you know what? Because all the big people all the big people in the front, and all the skinny people, behind people at the back, that is dangerous, David and Rachel, dangerous, I mean, people, what happened if there's a big fire, big fire? You right there, bro? All right. So, if there's a big fire, all the power people run out first, and David and Rachel, they get stuck. They get stuck over here, because the stairs is too high, And what happens is they get burned, Everybody here, all the Polynesians, they get burned, and they go up to heaven. Everybody here, go up to heaven, including myself. Up to heaven, halfway up to heaven, all of a sudden when people fall down, and they fall down, they burn 2 times. Very dangerous for my people. See, you can relate to that, because you are not going to be down. So David and Rachel, I'll have a talk with the people, Okay, it's all right. Next time, you guys come in here, sit